आज हम सिरजेफ रूल सीखेंगे। सिरजेफ और जेटसेफ रूल, रशियन साइंटिस्ट explain this rule. There is a possibility of formation of more than one alkane due to the availability of more than one hydrogen atom. Alkene due to availability of more than one alpha hydrogen atom. Usually one alkene is formed as a major product. These form part of pattern first observed by the Russian chemist Alexander Zaitsev, or which is called Sirzev, who in 1875 formulated a rule which can be summarized as in dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means removal of hydrogen and halogen both. Reaction, the preferred product is that alkene which has greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. Thus 2-bromopentane gives pent 2-ene as the major product. Now consider there is one example 2-bromopentane. 2-bromopentane, here one first carbon, second carbon, third, fourth and fifth. Second position, Br is attached with the second position. There are two possibilities of removal of hydrogen. Here it is alpha carbon and here it is beta carbon. Both the side beta carbon. This is beta and this is also beta. This carbon is also beta. Okay. So hydrogens, first of all, according to Sirzev rule, preferred product is that where there is greater number of carbon atom. It means this side 3 carbon, left side, and this side only 1 carbon. So here, which one is the preferred product? Hydrogen is removed from this carbon. So when hydrogen is removed from this carbon and halogen removed from this carbon, alpha carbon, and hydrogen removed from this beta carbon, then we get pent 2-ene, which is 81%. It means it is major product. But if hydrogen removed from right side of the halogen group, this carbon, this is the beta also, then we get pent 1-ene, but it is minor product. So according to Sirzev rule, dehydrohalogenation reaction is the preferred product is that alkene which has greater number of alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon atom. Now let's see one example. Suppose if we take CH3, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Here 2-bromo. We will take 2-bromo. Br. 2-bromo butane. React with alcoholic KOH. Then what is the preferred product? What is the major product? So Br removed from, this is the alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon. And there are 2 beta carbon. One from left side and one from right side. Okay, but according to Sirzev, hydrogen removed from this carbon because there are right side 2 carbon atom and left side only 1 carbon. So according to Sirzev, hydrogen removed from which side where there is greater number of alkyl groups. So here Br removed from alpha carbon and hydrogen removed from this carbon. Then what is the final product? The final product is CH3 bond CH double bond CH bond CH3, which is butene in presence of alcoholic KOH. So this is elimination reaction, but specific for where the halogen is present at the middle, not at the end. So again, I repeat, what is the Sitzeff rule? Sitzeff rule is in dehydrohalogenation reaction, the preferred product is that alkene, which has the greater number of alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon atom. Okay.